In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Jotform to Google Sheets. First, log into your Jotform account and hover your mouse over the form you want to link. Click on Edit Form. Once inside the form editor, click on Settings at the top of your screen. Then on the left sidebar, click on Integrations. In here, either scroll down or use the search box to find Google Sheets. Once you see it, click on it. Now, what happens when you connect Jotform to Google Sheets? Every time someone fills out and submits your form, the data will instantly appear on your Google Sheet. This is really helpful for staying organized and having all submissions in one place. You'll now see two options. The first is Create New Spreadsheet, which will make a brand new Google Sheets file specifically for this form's submissions. This is the most common choice. The second option lets you link to an existing spreadsheet. If you pick this, Jotform will create a new worksheet, a new tab inside that existing file, just for these submissions. I'm going to choose the new spreadsheet option for this demo. Click Next, and then you'll be asked to select your Google account and authenticate it. If this is your first time connecting, it will ask you for permissions. Simply allow them to continue. Next, you'll be prompted to name your new spreadsheet and the worksheet inside it where the submissions will go. Jotform will show you a list of all the questions or fields from your form. Here, you can choose exactly which ones you want to appear in the Google Sheet. Additionally, you can include other data like the submission date, IP address, or page URL if you want. At the bottom, there's an option to include any existing submissions that have already been received by this form. If you don't want those old entries to also appear on your new spreadsheet, uncheck this box, otherwise leave it checked. Once everything is set, click Save. Now head over to your Google Sheets account. You'll notice a brand new spreadsheet has been created with the name you provided. Click it, and you'll see each submission listed on a separate row, with columns for each field you selected. This means every new form submission will automatically appear here in real time, and this is exactly how you can connect your Jotform form to Google Sheets to keep all your data organized.